From a balcony, pulling the blue lawn chairs next to the ice chest of 2 grams in the blood that we just blew. Now I'm getting blown by a bitch who I don't know her name, Gold Chain.
Thanks to the custom-made carbon exhaust. We've also done a lot of weight reduction to the vehicle this year. Another extra shout out to A&A Motorsports, keeping the stock motor alive. We have the stock oil pump gears and stock crank sprockets still in there, and we have not blown her up yet. So I credit a lot of that to the tuning for sure. Got to give credit to them for the Panda still kicking. Thanks for checking us out, guys.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.